Welcome to Best Choice. The best planer router bit is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any woodworker's arsenal, capable of transforming rough lumber into smooth, finished surfaces with remarkable precision and efficiency, making it an indispensable asset for both professional craftsmen and dedicated DIY enthusiasts looking to elevate the quality of their woodworking projects and achieve professional-grade results. Number 5. BINSTAK CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit. Introducing the BINSTAK CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit, designed for efficient and precise surfacing of your wood projects. Its robust construction ensures durability and performance. Featuring a 3-wing design, this bit offers superior balance during operation. The 1 2-inch shank and 2-inch cutting diameter make it versatile for various tasks. Built with a super-strength steel body and an anti-kickback design, it provides a safe and reliable woodworking experience. The 3 cutting blades ensure a clean cut every time. This insert bit is incredibly cost-effective. Utilize all 4 edges of the solid carbide inserts, and simply replace them when needed instead of the entire bit. Perfect for flattening wood slabs and resurfacing spoilboards, it works seamlessly with both hard and soft woods, MDF, plywood, and even acrylics. Ideal for use on CNC routers, automatic routers, and portable routers. It's your go-to tool for woodworking, engraving, and trimming machines. What we like. This bit features a 3-wing design for balanced operation and a 2-inch cutting diameter for efficient surfacing. Its cost-effective insert system means you only replace blades, not the whole bit. If you're looking for a durable and economical option for flattening with slabs and spoilboards, this is a great choice. What people say. Wicked sharp. Works as advertised. Rotating cutters extends life and makes for an excellent value. Great bit at a fair price. I have used it for several hours now on my CNC, and with the right speeds and feeds, it worked well for getting a smooth, flat bottom in some large pockets. Balanced very well, ran it on a small planer jig I built and surfaced some 36 wide pecan slabs with no problem. Number 4. CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit. Achieve a perfectly flat surface with this industrial-grade CNC router bit. Its robust construction ensures durability and smooth operation for all your woodworking needs. This bit features replaceable carbide inserts, allowing you to use all 4 edges before needing a replacement. It's a more economical choice compared to traditional router bits. Easily flatten and resurface a wide range of wood materials, including hardwoods, softwoods, MDF, and plywood. It's also suitable for panels and laminates. The 2+2 insert design provides exceptional balance during use, resulting in a noticeably smoother finish on your workpieces. This means less post-processing for you. Whether you're using a CNC machine, a table-mounted router, or a handheld unit, this bit is designed for compatibility. It's the ideal tool for woodworking, engraving, and trimming. Built with a super-strength steel body and an anti-kickback design, this tool prioritizes safety and longevity. It's engineered to withstand demanding woodworking tasks. What we like. With a generous 3-inch cutting diameter and a 2+2 insert design, this bit ensures a smoother finish on your workpieces. The cost-effective insert system allows for easy blade replacement. If you need to tackle larger surfacing jobs quickly and efficiently, or if achieving a smoother finish is a priority, this is the bit for you. What people say. This router bit is incredibly sharp and cuts cleanly through hardwood. The carbide tips are very durable and have held up well after multiple uses. It leaves a smooth finish with no tear out, even on tricky grain patterns. Number 3. CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit 1/4 Shank. Discover the ultimate solution for your woodworking projects. This high-quality router bit is designed for precision and efficiency. Featuring a 2+2 insert design, it ensures a balanced operation and delivers an exceptionally smooth surface finish on your wood. Constructed with a super-strength steel body and an anti-kickback design, this tool is built to last and provide safe operation. Save money with its cost-effective design. You can easily replace the carbide inserts instead of the entire bit, extending its lifespan. Perfect for flattening, resurfacing, and planing various wood types, including softwoods, hardwoods, MDF, and plywood. This versatile bit works seamlessly with CNC routers, automatic routers, and even handheld or table-mounted portable routers. What we like. This bit is designed with a 1/4-inch shank and a 1 to 3/8-inch cutting diameter, making it ideal for smaller CNC machines or detailed work. The 2+2 insert design offers a cost-effective solution for surfacing. If you have a smaller router or need a bit for more precise surfacing tasks, this compact option is perfect. What people say. Wicked sharp. Works as advertised. Rotating cutters extends life and makes for an excellent value. Great bit at a fair price. I have used it for several hours now on my CNC, and with the right speeds and feeds, it works well for getting a smooth, flat bottom in some large pockets. Cuts wood like butter, perfect for my router flattening rig. I've flattened several tabletops, cutting boards and woodworking tables. Number 2. CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bits. Achieve a perfectly flat surface on your woodworking projects with our specialized router bit. It's designed for precision and efficiency in all your surfacing tasks. Crafted with a sharp YG8 tipped bit and a durable 45 carbide steel shank, this tool ensures faster cutting and a longer lifespan. Its anti-kickback design provides added safety. This bit works seamlessly with CNC machines, as well as handheld or table-mounted routers. It's ideal for woodworking, engraving, and trimming applications. Perfect for use on solid woods, laminate, plywood, and acrylic. Please note, it is not intended for cutting metal or other non-wood materials. Save money and time with this all-in-one bit. It efficiently handles surfacing, rabbiting, slotting, and ramping down tasks, simplifying your workflow. Always ensure the safety wire is connected to your router. Failure to do so may result in damage to the shank or potential hazards during operation. What we like. This bit comes with a convenient router collet and features a YG8 tipped bit for faster cutting and longer life. Its 2-inch cutting diameter makes it versatile for surfacing, rabbiting, and slotting. If you appreciate value and need a multifunctional bit that includes essential accessories, this is a solid pick. What people say. This router bit is incredibly sharp and cuts smoothly through hardwood. The carbide tips are very durable and have held up well after multiple uses. I was impressed with the precision of the cut, leaving a clean edge with no tear out. Number 1. Carbide Compression Flush Trim Router Bit 1/4 Shank. Experience unparalleled durability with our high-quality carbide. It's exceptional where resistance ensures a longer tool life, even under intense use. This tool is designed for consistent and efficient cutting performance. You can rely on it for professional carpentry and large-scale wood processing projects. It's engineered to withstand the demands of long-term, high-intensity wood processing. This ensures it can handle your toughest jobs with ease. Thanks to its robust construction, you'll significantly extend the service life of your cutting tools. This means fewer replacements and more productivity. Achieve professional-grade results every time. It provides reliable support for demanding woodworking applications, ensuring precision and quality. This bit is ideal for precise flush trimming. Its spiral up-down pattern template allows for clean and accurate cuts on various wood types. What we like. Featuring both top and bottom bearings and a spiral up-down pattern, this bit is excellent for template work and achieving clean flush cuts. Its high-grade carbide material ensures exceptional wear resistance and longevity. If you're a professional carpenter or work with large-scale wood processing and require a durable bit for precise trimming and template routing, this is the tool you need. What people say. It is sharp and the design allows the bit to shave through hardwood with ease. No burns or chattering. The bearing glides smoothly around the template with no hesitation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.